Hey guys, what's up? My name is Mark, and in this video I will show you that with a little trick you can use your Canon M100 for streaming or as a webcam. I usually make my videos in German, but due to the high demand I decided to make an English version of my first YouTube video. The aim is to get a clean HDMI output for the M100 and to deactivate the automatic shutdown. I'm not so good at speaking English, so I translated my text with Google, and I hope I can explain everything to you in an understandable manner, and apologize in advance that I have to read it often. Okay, first let's see what we need. Most importantly, of course, your Canon M100, a card reader, which is already in the computer, and an SD card. The SD card can small because we don't need a lot of memory, and it's also cheaper. This 1 GB card is enough because I only use it for stream mode and then use bigger and faster cards for photos and videos. This also prevents me from accidentally deleting the script together with pictures or videos and having to do everything again. I found an even smaller SD card that we are now using. So let's put the SD card into the computer. Let me switch to desktop. Okay. And now we have to format the card. This is another reason to use a rather small card, because from a certain size we cannot format into the required system. We choose FAT32 for the file system, and here the standard size. Then we start formatting. Okay. And it's done. Close. And now we need a program to prepare the SD card so that we can load a script on it. There is a link to the program in the video description below. The program is called EOScard. Let's open it. We don't have to do much here. Just tick the box Add Script. We press Save. And now we see below, write successful. Close the program, EOScard. Now we do the scripts. For this we need 2 new text documents. I already have mine here, but we will do it together again. First of all, it's important that we activate the file name extension. Otherwise we cannot change the file type. We call the first document script.rec. Okay, and yes. Nope. Okay. Yes, one moment. Okay, now again, script.rec or REQ. Yes. We open it and insert the following line, exactly like this. For DC underline, I don't know how to call this, DC, we call it underline script disk. Script disk. Then just close and save. Now we rename the second document to extend.m. Extend.m. Yes. We copy the script, which we will insert here from a forum. You can also find the link in the video description. At this point, I would also like to thank the people from this forum for their good work. We scroll down to reply or reply 18 and copy the complete text from this blue field or box. As you can read here, this script also prevents the camera from turning off automatically. Back in our document, extend.m, we paste the copied text. Close it and save. That's it. Now we simply drag the two documents onto the SD card. Safely remove the card and disconnect it from the computer. Okay, let's take the M100 and insert the SD card. Let me change the battery. And now we come to the magic key combination with which we activate the script or the stream mode. Because if you turn the camera on normally, nothing happens, if you see. We start the camera instead by holding the preview button briefly. Then we press the set button in the middle and switch to camera mode by pressing the preview button again. And as you can see, the overlays are now missing. For this reason, we have a clean HDMI output. Unfortunately, we can no longer change any settings in the on-screen overlay, but we still have the complete setting screen. It's not perfect, but I think it's still better than buying a new camera. These are my settings. Aperture always open as far as possible, and the shutter speed to 1/60th. I only regulate the brightness with the ISO value. I set the last changed value to ISO, so that I only have to turn the wheel during the stream to make the picture lighter or darker. And now you have a good and cheap camera with which you can stream in full HD and up to 60 frames per second. Now you only need one way to connect the camera to the computer. I use the Elgato Cam Link. I'm going to show it to you. Okay. Yes, I use the Elgato Cam Link, but I think you can also use a cheaper capture card or something similar. However, I'm very satisfied with the Cam Link. It's plug and play and has not caused any problems so far. I also have a €10 HDMI switch in front of the Cam Link so that I can easily switch between the M100 and my second camera, the GoPro Hero 3 Plus, with which I'm currently filming during the stream. For the streaming, I have an adapter that replaces the normal battery. Then the camera can simply be operated using a power supply. Yes, using a power supply and run for an almost infinity time. Infinite time. Okay. I also have the standard lens that came with the M100 and an old wide angle lens from my EOS Rebel T5. But to use this on the M100 you need an adapter. All products I use are also linked in the description via Amazon affiliate. Okay, I have now changed the camera so that you can see the end result. It's a big difference compared to the GoPro. Yes, I hope I could help you and will be very happy to receive your feedback. Of course, the Google Translator did most of the work, but I put a lot of effort into it, and I think I haven't written that much or spoken English since I was at school. But it was a lot of fun making this video for you, and maybe it wasn't the last one in English. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments below and I'll try to answer them as best I can. That's it with the video. I wish you a lot of fun with your new camera and say until next time. Goodbye.